Here are this week's ITWeb headlines. Nedbank's multi-billion rand IT refresh program has delivered substantial returns on investment, with a rise in the bank's digitally active customers. This growth is largely due to its ongoing digital transformation strategy, Managed Evolution, which has driven more retail clients to use its online platforms. At the same time, the Gauteng Department of Roads and Transport, GDRT, is rolling out advanced technology at its smart driving license testing centres, DLTCs, to curb cheating during learners' licence exams. In other news, retail giant Spar is making progress in rectifying the botched SAP Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) implementation, which led to a 1.6 billion rand loss for the company. Additionally, South Africa's first electric minibus taxi, dubbed eCanva, is scheduled for launch early next year. This was confirmed by Justin Coetzee, CEO of Go Metro, in an interview with ITWeb. Meanwhile, Communications Minister Solly Malatsi is moving forward with plans to privatise the South African Post Office, SAPO, which is currently facing liquidation. Malatsi announced that he has requested support from National Treasury to form a task team to secure private financial and operational partners for a SAPO.
For these and more news, visit itweb.co.za and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.